Good morning everyone! Bibiyahe po tayo ng mga 30 minutes to 1 hour. At ayan, magpapacheck lang po tayo ng ating blood para healthy. Makita natin kung walang problema. Pero so far, thank you Lord. Thank you so much kasi you gave me a strong body and mind. Thank you so much. Sana for this another year, bigyan mo pa rin po ako ng magandang pangangatawan, matalas na isip, at yun, strong body. Thank you so much at sa lahat, sa pamilya ko, sa lahat-lahat na nakapaligid sa akin, friends and everybody. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and God bless us all. Bye-bye!